Did you know soil quality is the secret to lush lawns? In the Phoenix metro area, the right soil mix matters more than the grass itself. Our premium sod mix soil is designed to create a nutrient-rich foundation for thriving lawns and gardens. It combines 10 parts composted horse bedding, carefully aged for 8 to 12 months, with 5 parts screened dirt for stability. We add 2 parts sand to improve drainage and 2 parts steer manure to boost nutrients. This blend balances moisture retention and drainage perfectly. Proper composting breaks down organic waste, enriching the soil with nutrients and beneficial microbes. This promotes strong root development and healthier plants. Whether you're laying new sod, repairing lawns, or planting garden beds, this multi-purpose soil mix supports your growth goals. Customers love how it helps sod roots establish faster and ensures plants grow strong and healthy. Consistently mixed on site, it guarantees quality for every project. Start with the right soil to build long-lasting beauty in your yard. Visit us in Mesa or call 480-985-8330 to get your premium sod mix today. Transform your lawn with soil designed for success.